Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my Hobonichi weeks that I use for work for the week of January 31st through to February 6th. And I will be using some pieces of the crystal kit from Let's Plan It. Let's get started. I'm going to apologize right off the bat for how I sound. I am not feeling well, but saying that, I thought that doing a plan with me, actually, out of all the things that I could do a plan with me, and it would actually be something nice and relaxing for me to do. So don't mind my voice here where I kind of sound like Marge Simpson from, well, The Simpsons. Alright, so, and if I do sniff, I'm going to try and edit that out as much as possible. So I'm using my Tombow Dual Brush Pen. The number is 772. And then I'm using my mild liner in the gray because I couldn't find any other grays that really worked with this color scheme. You know what? I was supposed to write out the word and now I've just done the letter. So on the ball. Okay. So I did use a kit by Let's Plan It a few weeks ago, a couple weeks ago really, and I kind of want to do the same thing. I want to use this washi as well. This one is from Simply Gilded and this one is from the Washi Tape Shop, but I ended up purchasing the daily kit and I ended up using these strips, which I think would be really cute. However, I'm actually going to use this one. No, I'm going to use the pink one. Oops. Put that one back. And then use the pink one. I'm going to put that one down first because I don't ever really use the weekends. It's only ever if I have to work on a Saturday. And I don't have to work another Saturday, I don't think, until like the first weekend of March. So, ooh, that looks cute. Oh, I like that. Okay, then I got a whole bunch of deco sheets and I want to use these, well, 2 pieces of washi. And I was debating which color ink as well to use in my Hobonichi this week. Now, the one thing that I'm looking at is where I want to place these washi strips so that I'm still spreading out the bulk, basically, so that I'm not putting all of the stickers all in the same spot. So that's why I'm looking to that spread, that spread, that spread. As you can see, I'm not really putting any in the middle area there, and I'm wondering if I should, to help spread a bit of that bulk. So I'm going to cut this like this, and then cut this one a little bit shorter. That, and then place, because I know with this kit I'm probably going to end up using these boxes in the daily spreads, so I'm going to leave that. I love the trees. I do love a good tree. Now you're probably like, you're taking up so much room in that space. I'm going to place this here, but you know what, with the amount of notes that I've been taking, it is absolutely fine. And then if I do need the extra room, I still have all of the notes pages back here, so I'm absolutely fine with how much I am using. Oh, I really like that. I almost wish I'd put the tree on this side, but I think what would work really well, I think, let's just do something random. I don't know why, but I like it. Oh, perfect. I like how everything is spread out. Then I'm going to use the Get It Done. And place it here, and that'll be for all of my to-do lists. I wish there was one for meetings, but I don't. Or I could just put one for, well, there's a couple of work stickers, but, and then work. Then I'm going to, with my Tombow Dual Brush Pen, just brush letter in notes. Perfect. I'm going to go ahead then and put in my meetings for those days. There is the overall finished spread. The ink that I used this week is actually Sailor Ink Studio 123 because it kind of looks gray, it kind of looks purple. I just absolutely love it, and I'm using it in my Sailor Pro Gear Slim in Dragon Palace. And the reason that I chose that color is because some of the stickers in the rest of the kit are purple and gray, so it matches with all of these colors, and I love it. Alright, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching this very quick plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks. I love decorating this because it is quick. I don't want to overthink it. It's just place the stickers down, done. Alright, thanks again so much for watching. Send me good vibes that I feel better next week. Alright, thanks again and have yourselves a great day.